Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Bex, and if you're new here, I promise you are in for a treat. Now, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me, and I can promise you one thing. I'm going to make you smile, and I'm going to make you sweat. Let's go. Today's workout is going to consist of 10 different exercises, of performing them 45 seconds on with a 15-second recovery. What I need you to do is get nice and comfy in your bed, because this is where we're going to start. Right, let's get this timer on. We are going in 3, 2, and 1. Get that duvet off. We're starting off with a sit-up. Let's go. What I need you to do is keep that belly button sucked in throughout. Okay, it's really going to engage our abs. If you're finding this difficult, you can use your arms for a little bit of momentum. But the more advanced version is to have your arms crossed. So coming up nice and high, squeeze those abs. We've got this. Come on. Get a nice rhythm and keep it going. We've got 10 seconds left. Well done. 2 and 1. Right, next thing, you're going to swing your legs out because we need to get up. We're not going to get up just yet though. We're going to do a V-up. So, we're going to dangle our legs off the bed, lift them underneath your chest, and lower them again. This is really going to target our lower abs. Let's go. So lower those feet as close to the floor as you can without touching. Bring those knees in nice and high, like so. Make sure you keep breathing. Well done. We're halfway through this exercise. Again, keep that belly button sucked in throughout. Last 10 seconds. Well done guys, you're doing awesome. Keep it up. Right, what a mess we have made. Next thing, we're going to use the duvet as a battle ropes. So if you've been in a gym, you're going to literally do this with your duvet, okay? We're going to really work our arms. Off we go. If you want, you can do both hands at once, or one at a time. Go on, be vicious with your duvet. Well done, keep going. 20 seconds left. Last 10. Come on. 3, 2, and 1. We're going to be sitting down next. And we're going to do a squat sit. So we're going to lower our bum to the bed, nice and quick on the way up. Whew. 1, let's go. So lower and up. Whew. Use that bed as a spring to really push you off. Okay, nice and quick. Really good, guys. As soon as your bum hits that bed, I want you straight up, okay? Keep it going. 5 seconds. Right, great work. Oh, I am out of breath. Next one is going to be the squat sit. So we're going to alternate. So it's going to be left leg and right leg like so. Okay? Off we go. So keeping that one leg in the air and switching. Try and keep that leg that you extend as straight as possible. Use your arms as well, like I'm doing. Keep on breathing. 5 seconds. Time flies when you're having fun. Whew, right. Next one. We're going to do some tricep dips. And then a press up. We're going to do one and keep alternating, okay? Off we go. So quick as we can. Get your bum as low to the floor as you can on the dips. And your chest as low to the bed as you can on the press ups. Whew, well done. Keep pushing. 10 seconds left. Whew. 3. Whew. Okay. On the next one is going to be a glute thrust. So I'm going to show you side on. Press your shoulders on your bed. Squeeze your bum. Walk the side of the top and lower. Off we go. Squeeze, lower. You got it? Squeeze that one as much as you can. Hold for a second at the top. And keep that chin tucked in. You are doing amazing. Make sure to comment down below. Does this workout make you as sweaty as it makes me? 10 seconds left. Get a good squeeze, come on. 3. Awesome. Next one, we're going to alternate. So we're going to do one with our left leg in the air, one with our right leg in the air, like so. It's a bit of a march. 2, 1, off we go. Really squeeze those glutes. Hold for a second if you can. Well done, I'll turn to the side so you can see. We lift that bum as high as we can. Well done. We've got 10 seconds left on this one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 2 more exercises left. Whew, all right. I'm going to do a split squat. So I'm going to put my right leg back on the bed, like so. And I'm going to alternate, okay? So I'm going to lower, switch legs, and lower. Just so you can see, you can get that knee as low to the ground as you can. Make sure the knee that is at the front does not cross those toes. Okay, it's really important. Push that bum back as far as you can. Just keep alternating. Well done, guys. Nice and quick on the way up. You're doing amazing. Whew. Keep on going. 3 seconds. Oh, right, last one. We've made a right mess. Let's revisit that, Duvet. Last exercise is coming up. I'm gonna just shake it like there's no tomorrow. Off we go. If you like, you can stand on your tiptoes, engage those calves at the same time. Oh. 20 seconds left. Keep it going. seconds. 3, 2, 1. Guys, we are finished. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please let us know, did you enjoy this workout? Did you sweat as much as me? Did you do it on a light grey duvet? That was not a good idea. And yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you soon in the perks of working out in your bed so you can go straight to sleep afterwards. Good night.